Okay, welcome back everyone. So today we will see a new session on Agentforce Builder. Also, it is called Agentforce Script. Agentforce Script, is it a new programming language? Yes, it's a new programming language by Salesforce. It is similar to your YAML. If you have ever used, CI/CD pipelines and all, so you would be knowing YAML file. YAML file means we write some script in YAML file. It used to execute. So what was the problem with the Agentforce Builder earlier? So or Agentforce Studio earlier. So on that you used to go click on buttons, click on links, create your Agentforce topics, your Agentforce action, and all those things. So here the intention is to simplify the process with a YAML file. And as you know, today we are in the Agentforce, AI generative world, right? So it is easier to generate script instead of going and clicking and creating things, right? That's why Salesforce is coming up with Agentforce. Let's see it in my script. Now go to Google and search for Agentforce script. Okay, you will see a lot of links over here. I believe you can click on this agent script beta. That would be the right one. Let's see. Okay, because it is now in the beta version, you can see in my screen the Agentforce script, whatever Salesforce is suggesting. It looks like a very similar to your YAML language, though the font and all those things are a little bit smaller. I'll show it later. You will see, some instructions are written, system instruction, variable configuration, start of the agent, and all those things. Okay, and here you see in the left hand side there are a lot of things: language characteristics, agent script block, flows control, examples. Okay, here you can do, or the best thing what I would suggest is use type here agent for script GitHub, so that you can directly copy paste code from there. So now I'm trying to open the GitHub repository of Agentforce script. Okay, here is the link: trial apps, agent script recipe. This is the one. Okay, click on that. Now where to go? Here, open this force-app. Okay, then go to this main folder. Okay, and you see they have given 4 recipes over here. One is language essential, action configuration, reasoning machine, and architectural patterns. Okay, in language essential they have not used, mostly they are only scripts. They are not used any action over here. You will see here, I'll open this hello world. Here only the Agentforce script is there. Okay, only the Agentforce script, but any class or any clause for the action they have not kept. But if you'll go back and open anything else, for example this action configuration, so here not only your Agentforce script, also the action associated with that agent is present over here. So see here, action callback. If I'll open, you see the Agentforce script is there. This is the Agentforce script. Okay, that means the YAML file. Okay, I'll explain this YAML file little later. Okay, give me some time. So then later, if you'll go to again here, you see the flows. Here the flows they have used for the action purpose. So as you know, in Agentforce you can create Agentforce action using flow. You can create it using class. You can create it using a REST API, or you can also create it using a query. Okay, so like that you can do. So these are all flows like similar to the Salesforce DX files, right? So you can deploy it using VS Code and all those things into your org. Okay, what are these classes? Basically, these classes are not any serving any purpose for action. They are just created to test the flows. Okay, which is used for this Agentforce action. Okay, let's try with the hello world which is the simplest one for this demo purpose. Open it, hello world, and this agent. Okay, here. Now you see lot of things are here. Okay, I'll bring this thing into an notepad plus plus. So you see here. So if you'll see any line started with this, this pound symbol. Okay, that means these are comment lines just for explanation purpose. They are not doing anything. But any line which is not started with, for example, this config not started with pound symbol, that means they have live code, that means they will execute. Okay, so here in the configuration section, it's saying that agent name is hello world, agent label is hello world, description. Okay, so but it is difficult to read. What I'll do, I'll take a help of AI and remove these comment codes. Okay, so that it will be easier for us to understand. So here I'll search Prayas chatbot. If you don't know, this is an Indian context chat GPT. So you can use it as a chat GPT also. So just you can log in it using your Google account. Now, now I have done login with my Google account. So what I'll do, I'll just create a new chat and say that okay, please remove all the lines starting with pound. But what I would suggest, initially keep it so that it will be easier for you to understand what is written. These are like comments line. Okay. So, okay, now the response came. You can see the response here. You can directly copy this response, copy plain text. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll go to a Salesforce or where Agentforce is enabled. If you have not seen my previous video, so please go and check in the same playlist. There is a Agentforce playlist. In that there is a video. So how to create this Agentforce developer arc. The complete instruction is there. So I'll not spend time on that. So directly I'll click on setup. Yeah, yeah, here is a trick. The Agentforce builder is no longer in setup. It is created as an app. So if you have to click on the app menu here and search for Agentforce Studio. Okay. You can see the look and feel is completely changed. Okay, it is completely changed. So what you can do, instead of clicking on new agent, click on the drop down here and click on new from script. This is the advantages of agent for script. Using a script you can create a complete agent. Okay, click on that and paste that script. Okay, but yeah, if you have created using generative AI, if any unnecessary instruction, just remove it. Okay, that means we are just keeping the configuration here, agent name, agent label, and description. I am already having a agent called hello world. So what I'll say, hello world test. Okay, and this label also I'll change it to hello world test. Okay, and keep it the description and everything. System means it's a system instruction, like how the agent will greet the user. So that's what it is there. If you like to add any instruction, you can add any instruction. There are two topics over here. One is start agent topic, and another is topic greeting. But if you like to add any action along with it, you have to write a action also, action script. That is there in the GitHub example here. You can just check another example from this list. For example, this action configuration. Okay, and see how. Let me open it here. Yeah, you can see it here. If you have an action, if you have an action, how the action will look like. You see here the target. If you want to add action, it is like this target. I'll zoom it a little bit so that it would be a little clear. If the action is using flow, that's why it's saying flow and the action name. Okay. Similarly, but in this hello world, we do not have any action. So we'll directly go here and create the agent. Now you see the agent is created. That means within a fraction of second, I have created an agent, capable agent. It will do all the things. You see the agent name, all those things are there. If you want to set the agent, API name also, you can set it. Okay, and just click on save. Here it's saying you want to create a new user or you want to choose an existing agent user. Instead of creating a new user, always try to choose an existing agent user. Okay, confirm. That means when the agent will run, this is the running user. Okay, there are two errors. Okay, we'll see that. Agent details. Okay, in this topic also there is error, it seems. So what we'll do, we'll change it from canvas to script. Okay, and see what is the error in the agent detail. Okay, developer name. I think this is creating a error here. Let's remove it. Okay, and in topic selector, okay, you see it as topic selector underscore test, because I'm already having a same topic. That's why it's creating problem. Okay, save it. Okay, now you see the agent is saved. Okay, so how to test whether the agent is working or not? So click on preview. Okay, now just try to send a message. Hello, I am looking for a help for my fiber connection. Okay, okay, now you see the agent is working. Okay, that means all the steps are executing here. The agent is fully working. This is how you can create an agent using the agent script or Agentforce builder. The Agentforce builder here is in beta version, so it is recommended everyone to learn and know this new programming language. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.